Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your app password on Bluesky Social, and it's really easy and simple. Let me show you how to do this step by step. So first things first, of course, open up your Bluesky app, then you'll be on your home page, right? What you're going to do is click on that top left, those three horizontal lines on the top left, click on that, and then click on settings down here, okay? Click on settings. And then, guys, what you're going to do is click on privacy and security. And here you'll see this option that says add passwords. Click on this and then click on add app password. Now, you want to input any app password you want to input. For example, I'll do light cyan, okay? Light cyan. That's my password. I'm going to press next. Okay, I'm going to press next right now. And if you want, you can also allow access to your direct messages. Go ahead and do that. And now just copy this code to basically sign in with another app with our handle. Okay, and it's really this easy and simple. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.